If you've ever had 6 batteries on deck and ended up still needing more juice, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you ever need to remove the fan shroud or replace it for any reason, it's real easy, just follow these steps. First thing you're going to do is unplug the plug coming from the wire harness. Sometimes I use a flathead screwdriver or even a stubby screwdriver in order to press down on that clip. Now with the fans unplugged, you're going to use a 10mm socket to loosen a bolt on each side. There's one right here and another one right here. Keep in mind that since these bolts are in the opposite orientation, you're going to need your ratchet going clockwise in order to loosen them. On the V6 Dodge Chargers, the bottom of the fan shroud just has this piece of plastic that sits in a bracket. So after you loosen the two 10mm bolts, you'll just push it forward a little bit and start lifting it straight up. And you might have to jimmy it side to side to avoid the other front componentry on the engine. If you're removing a bunch of parts from a vehicle, I like to put any hardware into a sealable plastic bag and use a zip tie to zip tie it to the part that I removed, just to keep everything in order.